In front of me is Vivo Y95, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Now you need to select all services, scroll again to hit Autofill with Google and choose Passwords. Now tap on Add Password here and enter all of those informations. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner to add your password. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!